Question 15. A straight line L is perpendicular to the line with the equation y equals 1 minus 3x. The point with the coordinates 6, 3 is on the line L. Find an equation of the line L. So line L is perpendicular 90 degrees to the line y equals 1 minus 3x. So let's get started then. So we got the line y equals 1 minus 3x. Now I'm going to rewrite that in the form of y equals mx plus c. So y equals minus 3x plus 1. So c is the y-intercept, so I know this line crosses at 1 on the y-axis, and it's minus 3 gradient, which means it's a line going that way. So the perpendicular line is 90 degrees to that, and it has to go through the coordinates 6, 3. So the gradient for perpendicular line is going to have a gradient of 1 minus 1 over m. Okay, so the gradient for the original line is minus 3. So let's put that in. 1 minus 1 over minus 3. So minus 1 divided by minus 3 is positive 1/3. So the gradient for the perpendicular line is positive 1/3. So over here the perpendicular line is going to be y equals 1/3 x plus something which we don't know yet, c. Okay, so now we're going to substitute 6, 3 into here to find out what c is going to be. So y is 3, x is 6, so 3 plus, or 1, sorry, let me get rid of that, 3 equals 1/3 times, what's our x, 6, plus c. So 1/3 times 6, or 6 divided by 3, is going to be 2. So 3 equals 2 plus c. Therefore, c, if you take away 2 from both sides, c equals 1. So that means then we can finish this equation for the perpendicular line off. So it's going to be a final answer of, using this, y equals 1/3 x plus 1. So question 15 is worth 3 marks in total, and the first mark comes from this here, for finding the gradient of the perpendicular line. If they could see this 1/3, then you'd get the first method mark. The second method mark is for finding the c by substituting this coordinate, the x and the y value, into here. Okay, so the second method mark for finding the value of c, which is 1, and the third and final mark is for the final answer of y equals 1/3 x plus 1, the equation to the perpendicular line L. Well, the perpendicular line which is called L. That's the third mark. And that's it for question 15.